like a good Jamaican opener. I've tried so many of the electric ones and they break in a short while. See how fast this goes?
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Morning guys, welcome to our channel. I decided to vlog this after I started cutting up everything. So today is a special day and everybody should know it's Nico's birthday, and so I'm making some breakfast quickly before I leave the house to go to work. Okay, so I've already cut up all my veggies, or what do you call it, onion and scallion and stuff, seasoning, right? Alright, so and I've helped me boil prepare the saltfish. Pot hot. Also prepped the dumpling already. So yes, I'm gonna pour it in the pot now. Alright. So I'm allowing the seasoning to be sauteed a little bit. Have that nice milk. So I'm using Ackee from the can. Speed up the process. As I said guys, and going to work. You know, I have to wash the can off before we open it. I like to pour my saltfish in first. I mean, it can go either way. I don't know why this big bone left in there. Nothing like a good Jamaican opener. I've tried so many of the electric ones and they break in a short while. See how fast this goes? I like to pour off some of the water but not all. And then you just pour it in there. Then nice and chunky. And it just mix it in for now. I don't want to mix it too much. Just kind of flip it over because I don't want it to crush up. And now, let me grab my black pepper. Just pour it over the top. And then you mix it in again. So now I'm just preparing some plantains because Nika loves plantains. Fry them. I should have probably make them a little thinner. And you can do the plant in any shape you want, so it depends on what you're doing. For me, this shape is gonna match perfectly with what I'm trying to accomplish right now. I'm not wasting this, I'm just gonna put it away. So, get a fork. Don't block your plantain, make them have a nice color. I'm just cleaning up while that is frying. Putting away. I've already prepared it. Dumpling with a twist, alright? So I'm taking a few chunks of the ackee with the saltfish and I'm placing it on the dough. Stretch the dough a little bit. Like this. Put it down. It's cracking, but it's fine because it's warm. The ackee is. I'm gonna fry some regular rice. You know, homemade flour, guys, are festival fried dumpling. This is an easy dish to make. And I'm showing you different ways of how you can do your fried dumpling and change up it some, you know. That, so it doesn't matter if the flour is breaking, it will come out nicely. Want to kind of fry the side. I'm allowing, just frying the sides that. And the stuffed ackee flour can be any shape you want it to be. I like this shape, and I can try another shape for you just to show you. But guys, I like to play around with food. I love food art. I love to see food pretty, you know. Presented different ways. Right, so my dumplings them look nice. I put it on a low flame, so you know to me taking out quickly because it's on a low flame. So you need that nice brown, golden type of color. Again, I like to drain the oil, so I use the paper towel on the plate. You know, you just press it out because you want to fold it for it to be able to fold in a nice closed shape. So, and you can shape it like this if you want. There are other ways you can shape it, but this is how I do it. So, ackee again. Ladies, when you're serving your husband or anybody, as a matter of fact, this is unacceptable. Let's wipe it off. So for me, presentation is a must. It's It's vital to me to when you're presenting, especially food, guys. So this is a finishing touch. I've chosen to plate it like this. He has his fruits here, extra plantains. Also, this is the stuffed ackee. I chose to give him a little more. Here you go. Well, happy birthday, Nico. Stay tuned for our next meal with Tino. Bye guys, and remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till next time.
Thank you, baby. I love you. You know, they made just finger food for me. I not use no fork. That's a good.
It is finger food, Nico.
Oh my god. Guys, these are the best tasting ackee I ever eaten in my life. What heap of love in it.
Bye, babe. Have a nice day.
Love you.
I love you. See you